Success is the best form of revenge. If you need a lesson on how to get over disappointment and carve out a successful path for yourself, you can take inspiration from Mr. Ratan Tata. So in this video, we will discuss about the journey of Mr. Ratan Tata. So let's begin. Ratan Tata is known for revolutionizing the automobile sector in India with the introduction of Tata Indica in 1990s. But back in the days, what was essentially seen as landmark achievement didn't yield the desired results. It was Ratan Tata's dream project, but the car failed to make its mark in the market as sales were low. Due to poor sales, Tata Motors decided to sell the car division. In 1999, the group wanted to sell its fledgling car business to Ford. Mr. Ratan Tata, along with his team, flew to Detroit and met the chairman of Ford, Bill Ford. Bill had apparently told them that they knew nothing about cars and they shouldn't have started the car division. He even went as far as saying that Ford was doing Tata a favor by buying his car division. Ratan Tata became upset. Post that meeting, Mr. Ratan Tata decided not to sell the car division and he returned to India. He put all his focus on Tata Motors and worked even harder. They say failure is the greatest motivation and it couldn't be more right. The tables turned 9 years later and Ratan Tata grabbed his moment. After the humiliation in the US in 1999, the clock turned a full circle and Tata took his sweet revenge on Ford. Now the situation came, the Ford company's variant JLR, Jaguar Land Rover, went into losses and Tata Motors acquired the British companies of these luxury cars. Ford chairman Bill Ford thanked Ratan Tata saying, "You are doing us a big favor by buying JLR." Tata not only bought JLR but they turned it into one of their most successful ventures. Within few years of buyout, JLR made a dramatic turnaround and is the mainstay of Tata Motors finances. Jaguar and Land Rover are one of the most successful selling cars of Tata Motors. Wait, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. The history is again going to repeat. Last month, the US car giant Ford had announced that it would stop making cars in India and shut down both its plants in the country. A few days ago, it was announced that former Ford India MD Anurag Mehrotra had joined Tata Motors CV business. Anurag resigned from Ford on 24th September 2021, about 15 days after Ford announced their India exit. 48-year-old Anurag is now Vice President of Tata CV International Business and Strategy. And our homegrown auto major Tata Motors has held initial talk with Ford to buy latest units in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, which was affected due to Ford closure in India, which is such a great news. So that's all in this video, guys. At last, I want to say one thing said by Mr. Ratan Tata sir: take the stones people throw at you and use them to build monument. If this video is informative, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.